Volleyball or social. It's used to declare out possible. Or character. Make way for the other boys. Bang! You see old house. Oh, dear. So, I thought you were in the one part. I asked her. Just came to stay up this weekend. So am I. People are saying that she just got away. No, she has only done it before. What was she doing here? Oh, she was studying. Studying what? Hair culture. She got it. Oh. Who imagine that? Our dear old Kika. Oh, no. She's no longer Kika. She's now Wife Jessica. Wife Jessica? Yes. No, coming to New York. Our dear old Kika, she's got American. Wait, Kika is American? Don't think that. Why? I knew that girlfriend she was still selling right. Puto kayo dyan! Pili kayo ng puto! You remember when we showed this thing out? Yes, and she chased us all around the street. And she was stripping with fun. Tapos, how does girl do?
Ilaw dyan, backup. Ilaw.
Doctor, Mariana, this is good morning. Why are you staring at me like that?
Is that you, Aringata?
Good God! This is Aringata! Doctor, Aringata pala po first of all. Mrs. Wilson.
Oh, that's okay. You know, it's not I, but teacher for first aid. Oh, she was taking the mission from Thank you very much. Next time, don't stop keeping up here. Bitch!
How you used to bitch and bitch me, Aringata, when I was a little girl.
You were a very naughty girl, huh? Always fighting with Tina. You were all very naughty children. Especially this one. Always sneaking in our backyard to steal mangoes from our mother's tree. Yes, it's still up there in our backyard.
Come on then, it's still there many tools.
You just right. I still rest the see if I don't touch again and pull your pants off.
What kind of this man saw that?
Oh, you rascal. Come and get a pulang agent.
Why? You pull my pants off?
No, agent. I want you to tell me or something.
Don't you have anything for us, Aringata? We're the sisters of the country.
Are you serious now? I was preparing some for Tika. She takes nothing in the morning. She sees on TV in New York. Nobody is ready, mommy. Come along, boys.
Lakas na.
You haven't talked to Tina yet? I thought you were coming to tell her everything last night.
Along with her. All that.
Oh, Tony.
Oh, Tony. Use your head, Nana. Whoever heard of a man right now is like, it's not you. It's God. It's not him.
Are you in love with Tika?
Of course, I'm not.
Yes, you're serious with Tika.
But that was a year ago.
Oh, you fool.
You know how long you
How could you have the nerve to propose to me? And you
Anong aircon ka dyan?
So, you can walk. And then after the demarcation,
Wala dyan mo. Ano po? Kuya, tulog. Yung audio. Radyo. Play ka music.
Puto kayo dyan. Binigay yung puto, no?
Tapos na ba yung music?
Everybody, here comes Igay!
Tapos na ba yung music?
Jessica!
Feeling like P.
Ano yun?
HTV niya lang yan, tapos doon nila yung control ng volume sa
Kailan? Hindi nila kaya sabay ito. Hindi nila kaya madala yung volume mo kasi wala pang nagalaw sa harap.